Hello everyone, Overseas Filipino Mom is here. I'm going to show you how I cook chicken feet adobo. I already pre-boiled it with laurel leaves and ground pepper. This time, I'm going to saute the spices like diced onions, and then diced ginger, and of course the garlic. And here's the chicken feet that I pre-boiled earlier. As you can see, it's kinda very sticky. They said that chicken feet is very rich in collagen, which is of course very good for us. Keep on stirring this because I don't want it to be joined in one side only. Actually, I'm going to add a little bit of water just to loosen it. Now I'm going to put some soy sauce, some Worcestershire, little bit of oyster sauce, and little bit of vinegar. Now time to halo or mix or stir it properly. I'm just going to add some more roasted garlic, more ground pepper, and salt. Ta-da! Here's my chicken feet adobo. Yum! Thank you guys for watching.